Welcome to the final episode of The Essence of Yoga. Congratulations on making it this far. Yoga is more than just stretches or poses. It is a lifestyle, a mindset, and a journey towards self-awareness and well-being. Today, we'll cover not only the physical practice but also the mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of beginning yoga. By the end of this session, you'll have the tools, motivation, and guidance to start your practice at home, in a studio, or anywhere life takes you. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Feel your body, know that wherever you are right now is the perfect place to begin. One of the biggest obstacles for beginners is the belief that yoga is about achieving perfection, touching your toes, performing advanced poses, or having a certain body type. This is a myth. Yoga is not about perfection. It's about practice, presence, and self-discovery. Many new practitioners hesitate because they compare themselves to others, instructors, classmates, or videos online. This comparison can create self-doubt and prevent progress. Every body is unique. Every journey is unique. Yoga is about exploring your own limits, not copying someone else's. You don't need expensive mats, props, or flexibility. You don't need prior experience. All you need is a willingness to show up consistently. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day is enough to start building momentum. Over time, your body, mind, and breath will adapt naturally. Instead of asking, "Am I good enough?" ask, "Am I present? Am I breathing mindfully? Am I connecting with my body?" Yoga is about process over performance. Each practice is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become more aware of your body and mind. Take a slow, deep breath in, and exhale. Remember, every small step counts. You are exactly where you need to be. Consistency is the cornerstone of progress in yoga. Developing a sustainable practice ensures that yoga becomes part of your lifestyle rather than a short-term activity. Start small, even 10 to 15 minutes per day is enough to begin. Gradually increase as your body and mind adapt. Starting small prevents overwhelm and builds long-term commitment. Choose a consistent time. Morning practice energizes the body, clears the mind, sets a positive tone for the day. Evening practice relieves tension, promotes relaxation, and helps improve sleep. Create a sacred space. Even a small corner of your room can become your yoga sanctuary. Use a mat, blanket, or cushion for comfort. Optional, candles, plants, or soft music to enhance mindfulness. Use guided support. Beginner-friendly videos, apps, or online classes provide structure. Focus on alignment, breathing, and foundational poses. Follow instructors who emphasize mindfulness and safety. Track your progress. Keep a yoga journal to note physical, emotional, and mental experiences. Observe changes in flexibility, posture, mood, and energy. Journaling helps maintain motivation and reflect on growth over time. Reward consistency. Celebrate small wins, completing your first week, holding a pose longer, or feeling more relaxed. Positive reinforcement strengthens your habit. Take a breath, feel gratitude for showing up today. Yoga is not a performance, it's a practice of self-awareness and exploration. Some days, you will feel energetic and flexible. Other days, you may feel stiff, tired, or distracted. Both are normal parts of the journey. Listen to your body, respect your limits. Don't force poses. Modify them as needed. Notice sensations, tension, or discomfort without judgment. Mindful exploration. Try variations rather than forcing the perfect version. Focus on alignment, balance, and the flow of breath. Observe how your body responds differently each day. Rest and recovery. Incorporate restorative poses like child's pose, legs up the wall, or savasana. Rest is as important as active practice for growth and flexibility. Listen to your body's need for stillness. Celebrate small wins. Flexibility improvement, reduced tension, and increased mindfulness are all victories. Yoga is cumulative. Small consistent efforts compound into long-term transformation. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale. Breath is the foundation of yoga. It connects the body, mind, and spirit, and enhances both physical and mental well-being. Diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply into your belly, exhale fully to reduce stress. Box breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Alternate nostril breathing balances energy, calms the mind, improves focus. Mindfulness during practice. Focus on sensations in each pose. Observe thoughts without judgment. Let your breath guide movement and relaxation. Meditation for beginners. Start with 3 to 5 minutes daily. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on breath. When the mind wanders, gently return to the breath. Increase duration gradually as focus improves. Integrate mindfulness off the mat. Pause for a mindful breath before responding to stress. Observe surroundings and sensations in everyday tasks. Yoga is not just physical, it transforms mental and emotional awareness. Take a moment to inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Notice the calm spreading through your body. Here's a step-by-step 10 to 15-minute sequence suitable for beginners to build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Warm up, 2 to 3 minutes. Neck rolls, clockwise and counterclockwise. Shoulder shrugs, lift and release. Cat-cow stretch, arch and round the back slowly. Standing poses, 3 to 4 minutes. Mountain pose, stand tall, feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed. Forward fold, hinge at hips, relax head and neck. Warrior 2, strengthen legs, open chest. Seated/floor poses, 3 to 4 minutes. Seated forward fold, gentle hamstring stretch. Butterfly pose, opens hips and inner thighs. Seated twist, improves spinal mobility. Cool down, 2 to 3 minutes. Child's pose, relax and stretch spine. Legs up the wall, relieve fatigue and stress. Savasana, lie down, relax completely, observe breath. Remember, slow, mindful movement is more important than depth or intensity. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Forcing poses, move gently. Skipping warm-up, prepare muscles and joints. Holding breath, breathe mindfully. Comparing to others, focus on your journey. Staying motivated. Set realistic goals, flexibility, calmness, strength. Track progress in a journal. Yoga extends beyond the mat. Mindful breaths during stress. Gentle stretches at work or while watching TV. Mindful gratitude or meditation before meals. Observe emotions and reactions mindfully. Yoga supports posture, mental clarity, emotional balance, and stress management. Patience is key, progress takes time. Explore new poses gradually. Consider guided programs or workshops for continued learning. Your yoga journey is uniquely yours. Trust it, honor it, and begin exactly where you are. Growth comes with time, practice, and self-compassion. Thank you for joining me on this 10-part series, The Essence of Yoga. If you found value here, please like, share, or comment to support the channel. For the next step, explore guided practices, deeper dives into poses and philosophy, or live yoga sessions through the links below. May your breath guide you, and may your practice bring you home, to peace, awareness, and self-love.